Welcome to yoga. My name is Miss Jenna, and we are ready to go on our yoga adventure today. We're gonna go to outer space. Has anyone been to outer space before? Raise your hand if you've been to outer space. Oh, I see someone raising their hand. Space yoga guide. Let's start with our boots. Everyone reach down, grab your space boots, and put them on your feet. Wow! Okay, reach down, grab your helmet. Lift it up really high. Oh my gosh, my helmet is so heavy. Oh, and pop it on your head. Stand at attention. Space cadets. I think we should go to Mars. And blast off! Your spaceship is flying through outer space. And I think some planets might be in our way. So take a deep breath in, reach your hands up. As you breathe out, everyone bend to one side. You want to steer clear of any stars or spaceships that we might crash into. Lift up high, breathe in. And breathe out, bend the other way. There you go. Take a deep breath in, come to standing. Breathe out, bring your hands to your sides. Now our spaceships are going to land. Bend your knees, sit down low. Bring your hands over your head, breathe in. As you breathe out, cross your ankles. See if you can come all the way down to a seated position. As we land on this alien planet, take a deep breath in, reach your hands over your head. And breathe out, hands at your heart. Wow. Now at the end of our space exploration, we need to rest our bodies. So we're going to move into what's called Shavasana. Namaste. Thank you for going on this yoga adventure with me. Thank you for going to outer space and being excellent yoga students.